You hold in your hands the intelligence and soul of children. You are responsible for the homeland. The children entrusted to you will not only have to write and decipher a letter, to read the sign on the corner of the street, to make an addition and a multiplication. They are friends and they must know France, its geography and its history, its body and its soul. They will be citizens and they must know that the free democracy is, what rights confer upon them, that duties impose upon them the sovereignty of the nation. Finally, they will be man and woman, and they must have an idea of the human being. What is the principle of our greatness, pride united with tenderness?
They need to be able to portray the human species with these creatures gradually masking the brutalities of nature and brutalities of instinct. And the main element of this extraordinary work, which is called civilization. They must be shown the greatness of thought. We must teach them the respect and worship of the soul by our genius. In them the feeling of the infinity which is our joy, and also our strength, for it is through in that we will think over again. Darkness and death. That means all this to children. Yes, all this. If you don't just want to make learning machines. I know the difficulties of the task.
You keep your school children in a few camps, and they are not always busy, especially in the countryside. They forget the little summer and they learn about winter. They often make deep relapses of ignorance and laziness at school, and I would complain to those of you who have great ambition for education and the country children. If this great ambition did not require great courage. Knowing how to read well, the schoolboy who is very curious would quickly, with 7 or 8 books chosen, have an idea, very general if it's true, but very high on the history of the human species, of the structure of the world, of the Earth's own history in the world, of France's own role in humanity.
The teacher must intervene to help this first work of the mind. It is not necessary for him to say much, to make long lessons. It is enough that all the editors he will give them really contribute to an overall picture. From what we know from primitive man to man today, what a wonderful transformation. And how easy it is for the teacher in a few years to make the child feel the unheard of effort of human thought.
I therefore say to the teacher to sum up. When on the one hand you have taught the children to read closely, and on the other hand you don't familiarize with thoughts, you have spoken to them about the great things that interest human thought and consciousness. You will have done without difficulty in a few years complete work as educators. In every intelligence there will be a sound, and on that day many things will change.
Okay, a round of applause for the teacher.